Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will discuss the divisibility rule for 5. For more updates, please visit mathstoon.com or you can also check the link given in the description box. The rule is given here. If a number ends with 0 or 5, then that number will be divisible by 5. Now let's understand this rule with some examples. Firstly, we have taken 1020. See that the unit digit of this number is 0. So, according to this rule, this number will be divisible by 5. Then we have taken 4375. The last digit of this number is 5. So, according to this rule, this number will also be divisible by 5. Now we will take 573. See that the last digit is 3, which is neither 0 nor 5. So, according to this rule, this number will not be divisible by 5. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave a comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos.